Hey everyone, my name is Alex with Systems Refined, and today I'm going to show you how to organize your My Tasks using time blocking. This is what Asana looks like when you don't have any tasks on it, so we're going to go ahead and create the time slots and then put some tasks in there. First thing you need to do is create the section. So you just click on the button here, add section, and then you can go ahead and put in your time. I'm just going to go from 8 to 9 a.m. And another way to do it, instead of clicking on the button, is just to click, or actually press down Tab and then N. Boom, new section. So 9 to 10. Oops. Tab N, 10 to 11. So with the power of video editing, I'm going to go ahead and quickly do the rest. Okay, once you have all of your time slots created, you'll have to move them into the Today section here. So go ahead and click on the first one, Shift, click on the next one, and then click on, the 6 dots here, click on that, drag it into the Today section. Boom, there you go. Now you have time slots in your My Task section. Next, you need to create your tasks. I have an example project here with tasks already created. They need to be assigned to you, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Assign to Me. All of them are assigned to me now. Go back into My Tasks, and boom, there they are. So I'm going to go ahead and move them all over to Today. And now I'm going to go ahead and move them to the proper time spots. So I have a meeting with Gabe, Bill, and Justin about SOPs. We got to create those. You need to acquire a new generator right after that. Team building luncheon from 11 to actually 1 o'clock. You need to prepare a kit, so that'll take 2 hours, and then I need to check everyone's readiness profile. So right there, now I have my entire day's worth of tasks in Asana under My Tasks. So, and it's, instead of looking at a calendar or trying to figure out when something is due or when I have to go do something, I have it all in Asana. I always have Asana up and running anyway, so this, for me, this would make a lot of sense. All right, everyone, I hope you guys found this helpful. Go ahead and click on that like button, click on subscribe to see more of my Asana tips.